joining us tonight from Los Angeles. Cosmo DiNardo, his right to post bail, but the $1 million bail that was set for really I don't want to say a minor offense, but it was possessing a firearm when you are not allowed to possess one. The district attorney said that there was a flight risk potentiality here. They didn't want him to get out, but he did. Are they still watching him tonight?
Absolutely, Gene. And, you know, I think this happens a lot in my world, in that the DA often has a hunch that somebody might be connected to something. In this case, it's just a missing person case at this point. And they then arrest them for something unrelated and set the bail very high so that they can't get out while they go on and investigate. And this is what happened here, because a $1 million bail is completely unjustified and unwarranted for a charge of somebody who shouldn't possess a gun, who possessed a gun. And remember that this charge actually got dismissed by a judge in May. So the DA has now come back and refiled it, and we don't know what new evidence may have supported this refiling now. But nonetheless, $1 million for that type of crime is excessive. Bail is set by schedule, and the schedule is based on how severe or serious or whatnot the crime is. And that's just not, like you said, it's not that it's not a big deal, but in the realm of crimes, it's not a $1 million bail crime. And bail is not set according to how affluent or poor the defendant is. So I'm actually a little disappointed that his defense attorney did not challenge this bail, because it can definitely be argued to a court that there's insufficient evidence to justify $1 million. Now, the DA has said that there's a flight risk. That's because the offense, the possession of a gun by a mentally ill person, doesn't justify $1 million bail. So they had to come up with some additional fact that justifies that, and so they've made him into a flight risk. But again, my question is, where is the evidence to support that he's a flight risk? We don't know what crime has occurred here. It's just a missing person case right now. He's arrested on a
and we don't know exactly what the attorneys told the judge to get that charge reinstated.